Cars will rust out very quickly if moisture and debris get trapped inside an enclosed panel like rockers, doors, deck lids, and so on. So before doing any work, if you want your repair to last, the very first step is to clean out the panel you're working on and make sure it can drain and dry out inside. Some tools that can help you clean the inside of a panel is a shop vac, compressed air, and even a hole saw kit if you need to stick the hose in there, or compressed air, and you can plug those holes with this plastic plug kit from Amazon or eBay. To give you an idea of what kind of debris can be found in these panels, we'll pull this plug at the end of the rocker, and you can see just packed full of rust and debris. And since we're going to be fixing these holes with some patch panels, we'll cut them open and be able to clean from there. Here's a close-up shot of what we have inside there. After cleaning for a while, this is what we collected, along with what's on the floor. Here's a close-up shot of the factory drain holes at the bottom of the rocker, and you'll want to make sure those are clean too. Here's a few close-ups of what the rocker looks like after cleaning. Oil spreads out over time and doesn't plug drain holes. So after the car has been painted, we'll squirt some oil in these trim screw holes to prevent future rust inside this panel. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get the most out of your rust repairs by cleaning the inside of the panel first so that it can drain and dry out. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.